Hello, welcome back. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to use patching to bypass the anti-debugging feature by patching APIs, anti-debugging APIs. For example, is debugger present? In this lecture and the next one, I'll show you another technique, which is to use plugins, and you can download them. And the plugin that will be used will be Scylla Hide, which is a very popular plugin for anti-debugging. So in this lesson, I will show you where to download this plugin and how to install them. So let's get started. To download this plugin, open your Chrome browser and head over to this link. So this is the official link for downloading the plugin, Scylla Hide plugin. So click on this link here to download. And you will see that it is a 7-zip file. And in order to open 7-zip file, you need to have a 7-zip program. So if you don't have 7-zip program, you can download it from this link, which is over here. After downloading it, install the 7-zip program. Once you have got your Scylla Hide downloaded, you can now unzip it and open the folder, and within it you will see a release subfolder. Inside the release subfolder you will see some files. So to install the plugin, if you like, you can refer to the PDF, the manual, which is included along with the download. And the manual also tells you how to install the plugin. For example, on page 2, it shows you the steps for installing the plugin. So I will now show you how to install the plugin based on the official documentation here. So you need to copy some files to the correct folder. So this is the extracted files. So what you need to do now is open your x64 DBG folder. For me, it is in this directory. And then under release, open the release, and you will see there are two subfolders here, x32 and x64. So we'll begin with x32, and you will find that it is a folder called plugin. Double click it, and now you're supposed to copy some files into this folder, the plugins folder. So head over to the downloaded Scylla Hide plugin, and here first step is to copy the Scylla Hide ini and hook library x86. So copy these two into this folder. So right click, copy, and dump it in here. Make sure you copy the correct DLL. For x32 it will be x86 DLL. x86 DLL. Then you open the plugins folder and look for the DP32 plugin. Copy this and put it in here as well, like that. So you should have 3, 1, 2, and 3 files, 1, 2, 3, and this is exactly what the official documentation says. Copy Scylla Hide ini hook 86 DLL and Scylla Hide DP32 to your plugins directory. So you have completed this part. Now repeat the same thing for the 64-bit. So for the 64-bit, you should open your x64 folder, enter the plugins folder, and do the same thing. But this time, we will choose the correct corresponding DLL, which is x64 DLL, and the Scylla Hide ini. So copy these two and dump it in the plugin folder. Then open the plugins folder from your Scylla Hide download. This time select the Scylla Hide DBG plugin DP64. Copy this and dump it in here. So now you should have 3 files in your x64 plugin. 1, 2, 3. And this also is what the instruction says from the official documentation. Copy Scylla Hide ini, hook library 64, and Scylla Hide DBG plugin DP64 to your x64 plugin directory. So once you have done that, you can now close your plugin folder and close your x64. Now you can test it. Open your x64 DBG, x32, run, and if you head over to the plugins menu and click on it, you will see there is a new item, Scylla Hide. So if you see this, it means you have successfully installed your plugin. And here you have all the options as well to set for your Scylla Hide. I will show you how to use these options in the next lesson. So for now, if you open this, you will see the default is VM Protect over here. So the Scylla Hide will hide the debugger from the VM Protect protector. So if you click on this download link, you will see a few settings, profiles you can load, and you can even disable the plugin by clicking disable. So for now, we'll just disable it, click OK, apply, so that none of the anti-debugging feature is enabled. So we leave it at disable for now, then I will show you how to enable it later. Okay, click OK. It says please start the target to apply the hinges. Click OK. Alright, so now we close this, we reopen it. This time we open the x64 DBG version, and we also do the same thing. We check the plugin menu and confirm that Scylla Hide is there, and click options, and we also disable it for now. Disable it, click apply, click OK, and it says please start the target, apply changes, click OK. Alright, so that's all for this lesson on how to download and install the plugin. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to use the Scylla Hide plugin to hide the debugger from the program. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you then.